Hi, welcome to Turner Time. This tutorial is on how to recall an email message in Classic Outlook within organization. Sometime after sending an email to your coworkers, you may realize that you have made a mistake. Recall feature in Outlook attempts to delete or replace an email you already sent. Please note, it works only inside your organization and only when both sender and recipient use Microsoft Exchange. This process is shown in Classic Outlook and on Windows 11. Let's learn how you will do that. Open the email that you have sent and want to recall. In the message window, left-click File in the upper left corner. In the Info tab, left-click Resend or Recall. Left-click Recall this message. Now you'll see two options, and in this tutorial we will demonstrate both. The first option is selected by default. Delete unread copies of this message. You will see this option. Tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient. It is checked by default. Left click OK. Now you will receive an email notification. Open it and then left click View Message Recall Report. Make sure you are signed in on the browser with the same email account. The current status is pending. After a few seconds, if I refresh, it shows the message has been recalled successfully. If unsuccessful, you will see that under Failed. Now let's try the second option with a different email. The same process. This time, I will select Delete Unread Copies and replace with a new message. Left-click OK. You will get the draft. Edit or make corrections. Then left-click Send. If the recipient has not read your mail yet, the earlier email will be replaced with the corrected version in recipient's inbox. Again, I will receive a notification. Left-click View Message Recall Report. Again, wait for a few seconds, then refresh. All right, the message has been recalled successfully. Let's go to Albert's inbox. We can see Albert has received the updated or corrected version of the email because he didn't read my older version of the email yet. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.